So here is the activity 1 for the die assignment 3. In this assignment, I have given some conditions for turning off and on the LED, such as the temperature and humidity relations. For this, before the starting, I had defined the pin 13 as the global output pin and set the global static float variables temperature and humidity. As we can see in the assignment, that when the temperature less than 50 and humidity less than 25%, that the LED should turn on for 1 second and rest time should be off. For this, I have used the if and or conditions for humidity and temperature, such as we can see in the assignment. When the temperature is less than 15 and humidity less than 25%, the delay should be 1000 milliseconds, means 1 second. And if the temperature is less than 15 and humidity greater than 60%, then the delay should be 500 milliseconds or half seconds. And similarly for the other two cases also. And at last I have stored the value of the variables humidity H and temperature T. Now I have opened the circuit, and to turn on the circuit I use this button and open the circuit and go into debug and select the virtual terminal. Here I can see the values and the functions the circuit is doing. As we can see in the second case, the temperature is less than 15 and humidity greater than 60%. So for this, let's do it. Here the value of temperature is less than 15 and the value of humidity is just less than 60. Just increase it by 60 and the LED should blink by 0.5 seconds, and it is blinking, so it is okay. Now in the fourth case, we can see that temperature is greater than 20, humidity greater than 60%. So here I have set the humidity 60.1, just greater than 60, and temperature is just I am setting it greater than 28. And we can see that the LED before it play, and we can see that the LED should blink for 0.5 seconds. It is okay. Now as we can see in the third case, in the temperature is greater than 28 and humidity less than 25%, the LED should turn on by 1 second. So let's do it. I am making the humidity less than 25%. The LED should turn on by 1 second, and it's okay. Now in the first case, when we see that the temperature less than 50 and humidity less than 25, the LED should turn on by 1 second and rest it is off. So let's do it. Here I am making the temperature just less than 15 and it should turn on by 1 second, the LED, and it turned on by 1 second, so it is also okay. With this, our first assignment is completed. So for the activity 2, I have initialized the 13 pin as the output pin, and for doing this assignment, it is saying that I have opened the Arduino RGB cathode LED and T on to 0.5 and T of 1 second. So I have used a void loop, and I have written that LED should glow 500 milliseconds and then it should turn off by 1000 milliseconds, means 1 second. And then also I have written the other parts also, the second part of the wave and third part of the wave, and it is a loop, so it will always repeat itself. Now coming back to the circuit, I have connected the digital oscillometer with the 13 output pin. Now I need to start this circuit using the start option. Now in this digital oscilloscope, we can see that the time period of the given oscillation is 8.25 milliseconds, and the time period of the loops are according to the given conditions in the assignment. So thank you.